It's a big verdict by the top court. There's no immunity on bribery for legislators. The SC's 7-judge bench has given a unanimous judgment.
Because to introduce clean politics. In fact, this matter was referred to as 7-judge bench by the Chief Justice, saying that this issue involved morality in politics, and therefore we have to examine it. Remember, this matter came into fore.
Now, remember, essentially, this is what the Supreme Court has delivered in a big judgment. It's been delivered by a distinguished bench, obviously headed by the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud. The 7-judge Constitution bench had previously reserved its judgment back last year in October on the 5th. And during the arguments, the centre had submitted that bribery can never be a subject matter of immunity, and a parliamentary privilege is not meant to place a lawmaker above the law. And before that, the judgment had been reserved after 2-day-long arguments advanced by a battery of lawyers, including the Attorney General, the Solicitor General, and the amicus curiae, P.S. Patwalia, who was assisting the court in the matter. But again, a big update where a verdict has been given by the top court. It's a big verdict. There's no immunity on bribery for legislators.
Casting a vote or speech has wide ramifications and overruled. So the older judgment has been overruled, and this 7-judge bench judgment clearly states that if an MP is caught, MLA is caught taking bribe, he will face action. There will be ramifications, and now absolutely there is no immunity. So this is a big judgment coming from the 7-judge bench of the Supreme Court. If I stay further, such a claim for immunity fails to fulfill the test.
It's a landmark judgment by the Supreme Court 7-judge Constitution bench, which overruled a previous order that gave immunity to MPs and MLAs from prosecution in cases which involved bribery for speeches or votes. And in a big statement while reading out the order, the CJI said, "We disagree with the judgment in PV Narasimha. The judgment which grants immunity to legislators for allegedly bribery for casting a vote or speech, and it has wide ramifications, and it has now been overruled." The big takeaway, there's no immunity on bribery for legislators. And beyond this, other statements that the Chief Justice of India also made were that such a claim for immunity fails to fulfill the test whether such immunity is even necessary to discharge legislative functions. And the verdict was delivered by a distinguished bench. It was headed by the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, and you had other justices, A.S. Bopanna, M.M. Sundaresh, P.S. Narasimha, J.B. Pardiwala, Sanjay Kumar, and Manoj Mishra on the bench as well. It had previously reserved its judgment last year on October after hearing arguments for a period of 2 days. It's a big verdict by the top court. We'll go through the key takeaways for you in terms of the statements that the Chief Justice of India had made, where the judgment, essentially they'd overruled the judgment in connection with the previous case, the judgment in the PV Narasimha case, which grants immunity to legislators for alleged bribery for casting a vote or speech. Now, the CJI did say that it had wide ramifications, and it has now been overruled. It's a big verdict by the Supreme Court. There's no immunity on bribery for legislators. And a 7-judge bench has given a unanimous judgment, meaning that there's no split verdict on this.
जो स्पीच दी गई है वो पहले उससे पैसा ले लिया गया है उस स्पीच देने के लिए, तो डिफरेंटली कोई इम्यूनिटी नहीं होगी। जैसे तहसीलदार के खिलाफ मुकदमा चलता है, थानेदार के खिलाफ मुकदमा चलता है, वैसे ही एमएलए एमपी के खिलाफ भी मुकदमा चलेगा, भ्रष्टाचार का मुकदमा चलेगा। और अच्छी बात यह है कि एमएलए एमपी कोर्ट जो बनी है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, उसमें ये मैटर ट्रांसफर नहीं हो रहे थे उस नरसिम्हा राव वाले जजमेंट के कारण। अब ये इस टाइप के जो केस हैं, जो पैसा लेके वोटिंग हुई है, ये सारे मुकदमे एमएलए एमपी कोर्ट में ट्रांसफर हो जाएंगे और साल भर के अंदर उनका भी फैसला होगा।
तो बड़े बड़े रिमार्क्स की बोला है कि चीफ जस्टिस ने बिग ऑब्जर्वेशंस इन दिस मैटर।
बिल्कुल, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि ये जो ब्राइबरी है, एमएलए एमपी के द्वारा ब्राइबरी है, ये पॉइजन है डेमोक्रेसी के लिए, ये डेमोक्रेसी के लिए कैंसर है, इसको रोकना बहुत जरूरी है। इसलिए जो संविधान में इम्यूनिटी दी गई थी, वो फ्री स्पीच के लिए इम्यूनिटी दी गई थी, पैसा दे के स्पीच देने के लिए इम्यूनिटी नहीं दी गई थी। जो पार्लियामेंट, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में एमएलए एमपी को इम्यूनिटी मिली हुई है, वो केवल हेल्दी डिबेट के लिए इम्यूनिटी मिली हुई है कि वो खुल के वहां बोल सके। लेकिन पैसा लेके पार्लियामेंट में बोलना और पैसा लेके राज्यसभा के चुनाव में वोट देना, इसके लिए कोई इम्यूनिटी नहीं मिलेगी।
So this was Ashwini Upadhyay explaining the judgment for 2 times now. In fact, the Chief Justice had made a very significant remark saying that bribery can never be a matter of immunity, and the privilege given to the parliamentarians, MPs and MLAs was so that they can work, perform their duty in the parliament fearlessly, and not this. In fact, this immunity cannot be used to make to place a lawmaker above law. A very, very significant observation, Swati, made by the Chief Justice who headed the 7-judge Constitution bench today in a landmark judgment setting aside the 1998 JMM bribery case, has set aside that particular judgment which gave immunity to MPs and MLAs for in fact taking bribe and voting, and that immunity they had got under the Article 105(2) and 194(2) of the Constitution.